Hey, it's Kaitlan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to get wrong every time I post.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaitlan if you're new here. This is my special guest, Branton. He's my boyfriend, as you can tell from the title. He is just a mess today. Literally, he has stuff prepared and he's studying. In today's video, he is going to be doing my makeup. Bald spot, let me fix that. In today's video, he is going to be doing my makeup, so I hope this turns out good. He's pretty.
You enough.
Yeah, he's watched me enough to like know, kinda, I hope.
Maybe.
I'm not gonna tell him anything what to do or any steps. Like, I'm gonna pretend like I'm a baby and I don't know nothing. And it's just gonna be all to him. He's gonna be doing this makeup tutorial. He's gonna own it like it's his own channel, girl.
Yeah.
And let's get into the video. Okay.
Let's get it. So this is putty primer, and she wakes me up in the mornings. I don't get up by myself, so I usually get out of the shower when she's getting ready. So yeah, this is usually the first thing.
What brush you're gonna use?
It's this one, the Morphe
M421.
M421.
No, I ain't using no brush.
Okay, then use your finger.
I don't know where this stuff goes.
Just...
I don't think.
I cannot do this. Don't get on my eyelashes, babe.
Well, you better open.
Okay, I'm literally gonna cry. You messed my hair up so bad.
I think it's blended enough. This is Tarte Shape Concealer. This is the second thing I'll be putting on. Yeah, you laughing too much. Let me see the other side. Still wet.
You can use it when it's wet.
What is this?
A beauty sponge.
I'm using a beauty blending sponge to spread the concealer.
You can use a brush if you don't like the sponge. Easy, gentle around my eyes.
It is gentle.
No, you're scraping my face off. You're gonna poke me in the eye and I'm really gonna catch a fit. You want me to face you? Tell me what to do, and I'll do it.
Got you, girl.
Alright, boo.
I got you, girl.
Am I all full coverage?
I don't know. But you ain't having no line, baby. I know that much.
Pretty good.
It's poppin'. It's poppin'. This one's almost gone, so you like this one more.
Which one's almost gone?
This one. This is e.l.f. Finish Foundation. This is what I'm gonna be using. The third piece of the puzzle.
The puzzle?
Yeah.
Is this a puzzle to you? Yeah, that's a hard pump.
Oops.
You can just wipe it on my face. It'll be fun. Okay, so this is how much he placed on.
I'm using the Morphe M439 to blend the finish foundation.
What? Why are you laughing?
Cause you're orange. This is so much.
Just spread it.
Just spread it. Bet. Move your hair. Come here.
Are you gonna tell them what you're using?
No, they can see.
You wonder why it takes me so long to do my makeup now?
Golly.
Now you want to know why it takes so long getting ready in the morning.
I'm not done. Look that way. You know I ain't do this side. You trying to get me. I'm using e.l.f. concealer to put under her eyes.
Good technique, babe.
You like that?
Yeah. Are you using the beauty sponge again?
Yes. How do you get under your eyes?
It's magic. It's okay.
I need some help.
What? Oh, it's on my waterline. It's fine.
But you need to move it. It don't look good. And all this. Like it blended.
Are you trying to remove it from my here?
Yeah.
Make it like this? You better fix that.
Fix what? That's fixed.
Okay.
No, I need some more right here, I think.
Put some more then.
The Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in shade 25 Medium.
What's the brand of it?
Next. Oh, Maybelline.
Show them what you're doing.
I'm using this much product. Ducky face. I'm an expert.
Oh, matte and set.
No, not yet.
Not yet. We're halfway there though, right?
No, almost done. Oh, I'm ready for them eyeballs though.
What?
I'm 5.
You really are.
I'm gonna use the Morphe M518 brush and Maybelline bronzer. Because they know their boyfriend's 5.
Yeah, you are 5. I just don't ever let anybody do my makeup.
Oh, stuck right there. It won't spread.
You can use like your sponge and it'll just make it lighter. Or use your finger. It's fine. It doesn't look bad, babe, for real. You bronze me up.
Got Revolution blush. I'm gonna apply it to her cheeky cheeks.
Oh yeah. Does it need more, you think?
Really? Oh yeah, it's popping.
Reese poppin'.
Whoa. I'm gonna use Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. And I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use a Motor Pro BMX 420 brush.
You want me to close my eyes?
Yeah.
So moving, man. I can't help it. I always be laughing. I have to be like colorful.
You getting serious, babe.
I switched to Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use Lucid Dream.
Are you using the same brush?
Yeah, same brush. Ooh, it's poppin'! I'm gonna switch to the Morphe M421. I'm gonna use the shade Mystic Ice, this blue color right here.
Oh yeah, we're getting colorful.
Hey, let me see.
Got crease for real.
Oh yeah, you're a real clown. I should not have done that.
You don't think? No, look, it's just a cut crease, babe.
Will you do something to fix it?
Just take the napkin and try to wipe it off.
It's not gonna come off.
Well, then go get makeup remover. You want me to get it for you?
No, I want you to take it off of me. I don't know what type of music y'all like, but I listen to rap, and I just gave my cat Kevin Gates tattoo. This is Braxton, by the way.
Hey, Braxton. Tell him what you're doing.
Let's consider.
He's using concealer to fix up a little mess. And he's going to take powder to set it again.
Tell me what brush you're using, babe. I forgot.
Just show him what he used. Looks like a blending brush. Good job, babe.
Brow powder.
That Anastasia?
Yeah. For her eyebrows. Now look at me.
Did you make a point? And you'll be good.
Oh, it's funny.
Now let's see the other side. Let's see
No,
if we can match it. That tickles me.
Okay.
Are you matching them? I'm trying. Really? Yeah, like, actually, I'm matching. Thank you for everything.
Go make a point.
Let me clean you up a little bit.
Yeah, clean me up, please.
I'm gonna use this Kylie lip liner in the shade Dulce K. Dulce K. I'm gonna use the Kylie lipstick in matte. That's the only color it is? Oh.
It's exposed. It's in the form of a matte.
Oh. A matte lipstick in the shade Exposed. I need some chapstick on my bitch.
Oh my god! Help!
Oh my god.
Send help!
Go lick them hoes, chop them hoes together.
Babe, what about highlight?
I don't even know how to like.
Oh, I'm already popping?
Yeah. She needs some Morphe setting spray. Go like this over your eyes so I can get your forehead. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, look up. Oh god, shut your mouth. Up, like this. Alright.
So from 1 to 10, how well do you think you did?
About a 6.
If this is the first
How do
time
you
you
think
saw
I did
me,
it?
how do I think you did it?
Yeah. It's my first time.
You want me to be honest with you?
Yeah.
Probably a 0, but maybe like a 0.5, like 0.5, because I don't think the lips are that bad, and I don't think like the blush is that bad, but like
Them eyebrows is popping.
everything else is like. I think if you did the brows better, I wouldn't look as bad.
Yeah.
But I look like a monkey.
Braxton.
Braxton. And you gave our cat a tattoo.
Huh?
You gave our cat a tattoo.
I know, they seen it. He matches his dad.
So you guys leave down in the comments how well you think he did. Rate it from 1 to 10, 10 being the best and 0 being the worst, obviously. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see him in more of my videos. Comment down below any video ideas, what you thought about this video, how well you think he did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to get rung
Every time I post.
And as usual, your girl is out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.